If you want Calendly to automatically sync with your Google Calendar, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to connect Calendly to Google Calendar step by step, so your availability stays updated and you can avoid double bookings. This is a quick setup, but it makes a huge difference if you use Calendly for meetings, appointments, interviews, or client calls. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, sign in to your Calendly account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look over to the left sidebar and click Integrations. This is where Calendly lets you connect all kinds of tools, including your calendar apps. After that, find Google Calendar in the list of available integrations and click Connect. This tells Calendly that you want to link your Google account so it can check your availability and schedule events properly. Next, Calendly will ask you to sign in to your Google account. Use the same Google account that contains the calendar you want to connect. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you choose the correct one here, because that will determine which calendar Calendly can access. Once you sign in, Google will show you a permission screen. This is completely normal. To keep the connection working, click Allow so Calendly can access your Google Calendar. Now you'll move to the calendar selection step. Calendly may show you one or more Google calendars tied to your account, so take a moment to choose the one you actually want to use for scheduling. If you use a personal calendar and a work calendar, for example, make sure you select the right one so your availability is accurate. This step is important because it helps Calendly know when you're busy and when people can book time with you. Once you've selected the correct calendar, click Save or continue to finish the setup. Depending on your account settings, Calendly may also give you a few additional options to confirm how events are managed between Calendly and Google Calendar. If you see those prompts, review them carefully and complete the setup. After that, your Calendly account should now be connected to Google Calendar. At this point, it's a good idea to test the connection by checking your availability or creating a sample booking page. That way you can confirm everything is syncing the way you expect. If your Google Calendar is connected properly, Calendly will automatically block off busy times and show only the times you're actually free. That means less manual work for you and fewer scheduling mistakes overall. And that's it. You've successfully connected Calendly to Google Calendar. From here on, your scheduling process should be much smoother and more reliable. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.